Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and probate attorney in New York. Today I'm going to give you a little insight into a question I received from a prospective client. This gentleman, his father passed away approximately 1 year ago, and his stepmother has not probated the will. So this gentleman is an older individual. His father had remarried, and his understanding from other family members is that he has been left a sum of money from his father. Now, a couple of things to think about in this story. The his father was remarried and has a wife. There very well could be joint assets, joint property, joint bank accounts. Second, he has not seen the will. Other family members mentioned to him that he was left a sum of money in the will. And the only other thing that we know is that a will has not been probated. It could be that there are no assets to distribute. So if the father left a sum of money, but it wasn't in a separate, segregated bank account, perhaps there's a reason that his stepmother didn't probate the will. It could be that she hasn't gotten to it due to grief or an inability to think about probating the will. Perhaps she didn't gather her thoughts. She was a little discombobulated. Yes, I still use that word. Perhaps she didn't have the wherewithal to process the will, and she's still going to do it. Now, a year is it's a little bit long, but not out of the ordinary, right? There's a natural grieving process. It takes time to gather your thoughts, gather all of the information, take the will, bring it to an attorney, and might take that attorney a couple of months to do the paperwork, depending on whether or not they have all of the factual information. So, what's the takeaway? What are we going to do? Well, I put a call out to the lawyer that he, again, from family members, right, secondhand information that he thinks has the will and that perhaps is going to probate it. So I put out a call to that person, and I'm waiting for a response. Now, in a future video, I'll discuss what we could do if the will is never probated. But for now, I'll speak to you soon. If you need me, if you'd like to speak with me, Frank at Frank Bruno Law. Thank you.